Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix notification not showing in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down in control center and click on do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, your notification will be showing. If it doesn't fix, then open settings and scroll down and click on notifications, and here you can select your notifications display, count, tag and list, and here you can turn on all your apps notification. So this is the way to fix notifications showing in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.